Hello, cookies! It's time for another directed draw. Since today is almost Sinterklaas Day in the Netherlands, we're going to learn how to draw a Santa. So make sure you have your paper that is long and tall. Use a pencil for now. You're going to see Miss B use a Sharpie because it shows up better under the camera. So in about the middle of our page, we're going to draw a small circle. And on each side of that circle, we're going to draw a small line out. And under each line, we're going to draw a curved smile. Now, under these curves, we're going to draw a bumpy cloud down and around to the other side. So here we go. Bumpy cloud. There we go. You can do this. Now, we're going to add a curved line on top of the line out from the circle. So that's this line here. So we're going to add a little bit of a curve here and a little bit of a curve there. And we're going to make across the top here a thin bumpy cloud that curves down. So let's see. We can start here with the bumpy cloud, curve it down and back up and curve it down there. Yeah, it may not look the way I want it, but it's okay. That's the best thing about these drawings. Now, under the clouds, we're going to do 2 filled in circles for the eyes. And the cloud, we're going to draw a line up to the top of the page. And my page actually is a little higher, so I'm going to make him go over here. And do the same on the other side. And I'm going to bring mine down a little bit and bring this down and add a big round bumpy cloud to it. Now we're coming back down to this part of the page, and where we have our big bumpy cloud down here, we're going to draw a waterfall down to the bottom of our page and another one on the other side. Not quite as much a waterfall as I would like. And then we're going to add a line here and a line here. And there you have Santa Claus. You can add in buttons, whatever you want on here. Add some snowflakes coming down around him or a reindeer flying up here. It's all up to you. Have fun with it. I can't wait to see your drawings. Have a wonderful day.